Oh my god, what is happening? Who are you? Alright guys, I'm not even gonna do like a whole intro or anything. This is very impulsive. As you can see, I look nutty right now. Yeah, so I was just in the middle about to blow dry my hair because I'm about to get it braided down for my wigs, and I'm just doing it, and you know, I'm just over my hair. I'm really over it. Like, I've been on my natural hair journey for about 4 years now, and my hair, that's when I did my first, I guess, big chop of my relaxed ends or whatever. But my hair has been like love-hate relationship with it. I've always wanted to cut my hair because I'm like over it, and I really rarely do my hair anyway. So as I'm about to blow dry it, I'm just like, fuck it. I already cut, as you can see, I already cut some. This is how much I cut off. It's just time. I'm choosing healthiness over length right now. And like I said, I always wear wigs any freaking way, so it's kind of pointless. It really doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is just, I'm over it. I'm over it. It's about to be a new year. Trying to cut off the dead weight, the dead ends, just cut off everything that's dead. Okay, so no more holding off on it. So yeah, as y'all can see, I have a lot of hair. Yeah, I'm actually gonna just blow dry the part I already cut. I never thought that I would actually go through with it, but here we are. I couldn't bring myself to go all the way bald. Like, I couldn't do it. I just know, like, I need a change, and probably like next year or something, I'll have about somebody professionally cut it for me and style it. Oh god, y'all saw how fast that took me? That was like 2 minutes. Literally, before that would have taken me like 10. Oh my god, y'all don't know, this is crazy, but it feels so good. I feel so good. Like, I know a lot of people say, like, when you dye your hair red, like you're going through like like if you dye your hair red, or if you cut your hair or go blonde or whatever, like you're evolving and you're changing. And that is so true. Or like you've been through like your traumatic phase or something. But that is like so true, because, well, when I initially went red, I like went out of the most toxic situation that I've probably ever been in. And that's actually my first story time I did. So like after all that was done, that's when I actually went red. I don't know, I just feel like right now I'm at a time where I need another change. I need change. I want to let go of the red Kayla and the shit I went through in my red hair phase, because shit. Oh. Ah! Okay. In all honesty, y'all, the whole time I've been red, or was like fully solid red, I have just been dealing with bullshit. You know what I mean? And it's about to be a new year. And I want to be, honestly, I know the phrase new year, new me, that's so like basic, generic, whatever. But I really want to embody that and stick with that and actually live a new life and be a new me. I'm gonna go to my friend's house and pop up with my hair like this. She gonna be like, what the fuck did you just do? Woo! Oh my god, you guys, this is crazy. Oh my god, y'all, this is so janky. Do y'all see the Jesus? Girl, you is fucked up. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk anymore. I really don't have nothing else to say. I'm just going to continue to blow dry, and yeah. See, this is the area I really wanted to cut off because it's so damaged because I used to get a lot of leave out sew-ins. So this part is just like terrible. Oh, that was so soothing. Uneven. Dusty, uneven. This is funny. Can I even put it in a ponytail? Oh, I can. I know people are gonna be in the comments like, why didn't you just cut it when it was dry? Why did you cut it? Because I wanted to. And it's my hair. You don't gotta deal with this on a daily basis like I do. When it comes to natural hair, the longer is not the better, in my opinion. Especially depending on your curl pattern, because I can't. Especially because I honestly don't like dealing with natural hair. I like it because I'm not putting chemicals on it and it's healthy, but that's why y'all see me in wigs like all the time or some type of protective style, because I can't. That's one side done. Oh my god, what did I do? I'm just about to go in and do the second part. Oh, this is not a dream. I really just did this. Okay. Okay, so we're done. And it's really giving. I look like freaking Frederick Douglass. Y'all, do you see the bounce though? I'm trying to find the good in this. My shit is fucked up. Oh my god. It's like I cut a lot, but it didn't even feel like I cut a lot. This is all the hair I cut. But it doesn't even feel like I cut that much. I really did that. I really did that. Yo, luckily, like I said, like, this is gonna be braided up and whatever. So, I don't really care that it's even. Do I regret this? No, because I really didn't cut that much, but I cut a lot. I just regret that it's so uneven. Honestly, I feel like if you want to go and cut your hair, cut your hair. Like, it's your hair. It's going out of your scalp. It's nobody's choice but your own. And its hair is going to grow back anyway. So that's why I'm not even really tripping off of this. Do not be surprised if I make a part 2 and I cut more off. I hope you guys enjoyed this, me and my new Frederick Douglass look. This very impromptu video. It'll probably be up tomorrow because it's not gonna take me anything to edit this. And again, if y'all feel like cutting y'all hair, cut y'all hair. It doesn't matter the length, the color, the size, the coil type, whatever. Your hair is beautiful. Do what you want with it. It's yours, okay? So that's all I got for y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.